Hi, welcome to an Ikhaya how-to craft session. Today we're going to be handling the hand loom for beginners. Everything that we need to weave is included in this kit, apart from scissors. We're going to start with the string by feeding it through the bottom of the loom in the first hole. Feed it through underneath. Now we need to lock the string in place, so tie it off on the side here. You don't need to tie a knot, that's very convenient. There we go, and that is tight. Now we can make the warp. This is a 20 count warp. The warp is what we'll be weaving onto. You need to loop it around each nub as follows: up, down, down, and up. And now we just repeat. Alright, the warp's almost done. We just need to feed the string through the second hole. Cut the string very carefully and feed it through from above. Pull it through and lock it in place. There we go, we're ready to start weaving. Place the heddle plates into the loom. This needs to be done in an up-down, one by one pattern. What the heddle plate does is provide tension so that we can loom more efficiently. Slide it all the way to the top. Alright, now we're going to take our weaving material and a shuttle. We're going to take the weaving material and feed it through the shuttle's eye. Now we tie it off with this very simple knot. I'm going to do another knot just in case. There we go. Alright. Cool, I've wound it up and we are ready to start our first weave. I've turned the heddle plate upwards and you just feed the shuttle straight through. Alright, we've already done one weave. That was very quick. Now we need to take the heddle, which is this, and we brush it down so that it's nice and secure. Alright, now we need to go back. Now take the heddle and cut off these ends if you would like to do this method. There we go. The reason being, we're going to use this tool to go much faster. What you do is you line it up with the strings as follows. Prepare your shuttle. Push down with the heddle, and you can see that the strings lift up and go down as required. Now we weave back far quicker. Alright, use the heddle again, push it down. Alright. Fantastic. Now we repeat. We've got this far, and now we're here. Fantastic. We've got a very good looking piece of material. Don't forget, you've also got some special jewels. You can add those on too. But now, we're going to do a little craft. So what I've done here is I have taken the material off and tied all loose knots. With the feet, I tie every second string. Like that. We're going to be making a little cute little monster. Obviously, use your own creativity and make whatever you want to make. Ask your parents if there's anything they need that you could maybe make. There we go. Alright, I'm taking some glue and putting on some little eyes and a pipe cleaner to create a mouth. And the second one we're going to use as almost like hair. And there we go. We've completed our first craft.